This is the Germ, which is a modified germanium fuzz face. It features 3 knobs: volume, fuzz, and bias. Unity gain on this pedal is located at about 1 o'clock, given the 12 o'clock position on the bias, but ultimately it depends on the position of the bias. The fuzz knob increases fuzz filtering while maintaining a fuzzy tone throughout its complete range. The bias knob controls the constitution of the sound, as well as the gain to some degree. And turning the bias knob clockwise increases the squishiness of the sound and lowers the gain a little bit. And that is the Germ.